I decided to replace the clear window with tinted one.
How to do that? I remember I saw on YouTube people take off this cover first. There is a bolt behind it. Take off this plastic cover. But what I saw, they did the replacement when the window was out already, broken or something. And here is the thing.
The opening latch of quarter window has a Torx head bolt and it's hard to access to it with regular screwdriver.
I don't have 90 degrees screwdriver. Probably need to take off this thing, unscrew the bracket where it's attached inside, and I take off this bolt. So here we go. I pick this plastic with the flat screwdriver, and here is a 10mm bolt inside. It doesn't go down like that. There is a bracket which goes up, so I need to push this thing down first. I see another clip here. So, try it out. Okay, there's another bracket here. So I need to release this thing. There we go. Now it's coming down. There you go. That's my backup camera and the car DVR wires. Okay, one. And behind this belt, two. They can go sideways with star screwdriver, lucky me. Wasn't too tight. Unscrew it now easily. It's a piece of plastic actually, it's not magnetic. It's the rubber. And put on a new window. There you go. So 10mm socket key, the long one. If you don't have it, don't start to replace this window. So since I'm doing it by myself, this tape is really helpful. The magnetic picking tool is really helpful. Unscrew that one. All I need just to pull it away. And as I said, when you do this, it's two hands job. And I can remove the window. It's the one which I'm replacing. This one is a tinted, but still AGC. Dot compliant. And it's AS3. Which means the transparency about 70% or less. Tinted, not tinted. The thickness is the same. And the start position, it looks like the same. Size the same. Hole position the same. Clear one. AS2. Factory tinted. AS3. But both of them AGC, Japanese company, the global one. This part, it goes behind this door. So I already inserted because it requires two hands. Secure it with tape. Now I just need to screw it in the back. Old screw nut, and the window just held by glue tape. It's the first one, it's easy part, and the second one. Last but not least, I need to secure this screw bolt, this screw nut. Pay attention, it has a shape, the square one. So you cannot just screw this nut from outside, maybe at first, but then you need to screw it in from inside. Actually, here I am outside and I can see the square edges of the bracket, and I can line up this screw nut and hold it with blue tape.
If I'm not mistaken, the Torx 25 works for this screw bolt. If you're really careful, you don't have to do this, but I did this kind of bed for the screw bolt catching in case if it's going to just jump in unpredictable direction and I'm not gonna find it later on. It felt kinda tight, but not as tight as I would tie it up with 90-degree right angle screwdriver. I should have bought it before. I bought it later on, like next day, and it's really a game changer. It helped me to tighten up this screw bolt in no time. I would really recommend you to get one of those types before you start to replace your quarter window.
Push it down first. Line up his roof. Push this thing first up. Then connect the brackets. Push down the push brackets from this side and this side. And that's it, you're done.